The trends we see and the challenges that local government are facing are the ambitions to deliver shared services, to drive technology consolidation, to provide data protection and privacy, in other words, service availability, and also to reduce cost. The real challenge is not to try and cherry pick these or to solution for each of them, but actually to look at the holistic problem that the delivery of citizen-centric services demand.
NetApp's a Fortune 1000 global company specialising in data management. We store, manage, protect and retain data for our customers, which is typically their most precious asset. IDC rated us as the third largest provider of storage in the world, and open system storage. In the UK marketplace, we're actually the number 2. So fundamentally, from data availability to data protection, we help customers drive value, speed and an unprecedented efficiency they never dreamed possible from their storage environment.
NetApp is helping local government address the austerity measures that they're currently facing by providing simplicity to the data management. We're trying to move the manpower and the resources away from managing the infrastructure and into delivering frontline services. We also, through our technologies and our efficiency and consolidation, are able to reduce power consumption, heat generation in data centres, and therefore provide money into the frontline service rather than into the back office infrastructure.
In particular, an example I would use is Great Ormond Street Hospital, who specialise in the care of critically ill children. They've implemented with our solutions a flexible and scalable storage infrastructure that's allowed them to manage all the new systems they bring online, all the new devices they add that provide data in medical terms. They've also been able to reach compliance in terms of how they manage patient care and record data. From our perspective, the critical thing for NetApp is that we're enabling them to provide images and patient care records for doctors in their offices and in their surgeries. So we're enabling them to help their team do what they do best, which is save lives.
The major business challenge that NetApp address in local government is the demand for delivering more with less. The constant pressure on budgets, manpower and the austerity measures we spoke about earlier all demand efficiency from infrastructure and people. Business continuity in terms of data always being available to deliver services at the point of need are critical, and that comes at a cost. NetApp, through its simplicity of technology, its innovations, is making that as efficient and as cost effective as possible.
Customers are choosing NetApp to save money. Through innovation, we help them drive value, speed and particularly efficiency out of their IT infrastructure. One example would be a technology called deduplication, which has allowed our customers to save over £250 million in spend on raw storage disks alone. The other side of the savings is around productivity for people. Through ease of management, we allow our customers to save the amount of time they spend as a team focused on managing IT and therefore focus on driving value from the IT their customers require.
Other examples of where NetApp is considered to be business critical places such as the MOD. Data is required for all of the defence capability to ensure it's readily available at the point of need. Boats, planes, none of which can actually continue to operate unless they have data. And if that defence capability is reduced, therefore soldiers and airmen's lives are put at risk. Another example would be Greater Manchester Police. Here's a police force who have centralised on NetApp technology, and that's reduced their infrastructure costs by 50%. That means that that cost has been rediverted into frontline policing, which overall is providing a better level of service into the Manchester area and therefore citizen safety.